Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our usual analysis for gold for 12th of September 2023. So let's see what's happening in the gold. All right, let me share my screen with you. This is a gold chart, and you can see this today. Gold moved. This is the Tokyo zone, Asian zone. These two green lines here. So market went to the upside, and this was the support area. This is a forehead chart and gave a good move from here, 1916 to 90, around 150 pips. Looking in daily, we can see quite clearly this 19. Right, yeah, around 150, 150 pips. Even if you haven't got all the move, you probably 100 pips was more or less straightforward. If you know your entry and exit points. All right, what happened afterwards? Because this was as I mentioned previously as well, this was a support area here. Sorry, resistance level here, and market rejected from here. And let me go on to 15-minute chart. And you can see there's a fair value gap here as well. Previously, we had fair value gap, and there's a rejection from here, and the market went to the upside. There still is a fair value gap here, and we can still expect market to go up that side. So as soon as the market rejected from there, we have a sell opportunity from here, 1932 around 1924, nearly over 50 pips. You could easily gain 20, 30 pips, if not all of them. So, and again, market went to the upside. Even if you do not want to catch this move, or you couldn't, you think it's too much of a risk or something, like even smaller time frame, you may have, but could be risky. You still could catch this move from the here around 1929, around 1930. Say if you even catch move from 1928, you still have 1922. So you still have around 60 pips profit. Right, and that means it was there was quite a few opportunities here, and if you follow the support and resistance rules, and market momentum is in your favor, it's quite easily you can make the pips. You can use RSI in your favor as well. Here you could see that there is a RSI divergence as well in half an hour. If you make this line straight, and then we have divergence here, so then you can catch in smaller time frame. Market went to this up to here. You could, depending on how your trading style is, you could take a trade here, stop loss about this level, and you first profit and further profit here. First TP, second TP, and if you wanna still have some, you still can expect market to come here if you still have some trade running. This is how you trade, guys. It's quite straightforward. No rocket science. Make sure you're ready for your stop losses, as long as you manage your risk properly, and you know that what's the risk management, then you'll be fine. It's part of the trade to hit the stop losses. Right. Now we already have levels, and we can expect further what can happen. This we can still expect. Let me go on to time for hedge, and you can clearly see that we are still in 4 hour. There's a still 4 hour trade running. If you used 4H to take a trade, and you can see that from here we still can expect the market to come to 1914 level and downwards. So we are still, some of you may still have some part of the trade running, if not full. So we can still carry on to the downside. So looking into the smaller time frame, once this level is broken, we can take trade to the downside. Similarly, if this level is broken, we can take to the upside up to these levels. And the rest of the levels remains the same as previously I have marked this line. They remain the same. All right, one thing you have noticed that levels are not a very strict criteria. There could be a difference of few pips. So make sure you manage your trades accordingly, exit or entry points. Right. I hope this is helpful. And looking into daily time frame, see what's happening. In the market, if you put a Fibonacci from here to here, the market rejected from 19, from the golden ratio level. So that was a very, very good trade. We have additional confirmation of the Fibonacci levels. So that's beauty of Fibonacci. I already made some videos on Fibonacci, but I'll make some more video. And also, my free Forex course is coming soon as well. So let's see what's happening in Dixie. In daily, Dixie moved to the downside, as you can see. Now, Dixie initially broken this level previously and went to this level and rejected. And now, what we can expect from Dixie now? It may bounce back to the upside again. It's very much possible. That's daily perspective, and 4H. Similar thing. This is a level, and if this level is broken, we can expect to the downside. However, I don't think it will be broken that easily. Might have to range a bit before it moves to the upside or even downside. Right. So that's the situation in Dixie, and you know the Dixie. If Dixie goes down, you expect the gold to the upside, and you always can open the Dixie chart along with the gold chart, and you can predict gold prices more accurately. Because nothing is 100%, it's a probability. Right. Now, let's see happening with what's happening in the Forex factory tomorrow. What we have 7 a.m. GBP is have impact news. If you're planning to trade on GBP, JPY, which I usually do, or other GBP pairs, then you can have some move. You can see some movement in the pair, and also Euro have a medium impact news tomorrow, and rest of the pair are medium impact news, even USD. So there's no heavy impact news in terms of gold, which is USD normally we're looking for. So that's it. I hope it is useful to you, and if you do like it, make sure if you do like the video, make sure you hit the like button and put some comments on so that I can make some more videos according to your requirements. Right. So, okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.